In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply mixed numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply these mixed numbers, and we have 5 1/4 times 3 1/2. So you're probably thinking to yourself, well, I could just multiply 5 times 3 and then 1 to... You can't do that, okay? So what you have to do is write the mixed numbers as improper fractions, okay? How do you do that? It's simple, and I'll show you a little diagram. You could keep this with you, and you could always remember how this is done. So to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, you multiply these two together, and then you add 1. You add this number, the numerator, okay? So how does that look? It looks like this. So 5 times 4, okay, the green part, and then the blue part you add plus 1 over 4, the denominator, okay? So what does that equal? So you just calculate this out. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 equals 21. 21 over 4. Now you do the same for this number. So you multiply first 3 times 2, and then you add 1. Okay, so let's see our little picture of how that looks. So it's in green 3 times 2, and then in blue you add 1 over 2. 2 is the denominator. So you calculate that out. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So you have 7 over 2. Now multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators of the numbers that we just converted to improper fractions. So it's going to be 21 over 4 times 7 over 2. So you basically multiply the two numerators and the two denominators, and you get 147 over 8. So you need to simplify that and turn it back into a mixed number. So you simplify it, and you just divide 8 into 147, and that fits 18 times with a leftover of 3. This is the remainder, 3 over 8. And that's the answer. And don't worry if you don't get that. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. You'll find a link to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. If you need extra help, you could check those out. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.